First, a quick look at the technical requirements. Disk space-wise, you're going to need 16 to 60 megabyte, depending on your specific installation profile and modules and themes that you choose. But remember, you have to plan for contributed content as well over time. For a web server, you could use Apache, Nginx, or Microsoft IIS. Application server-wise, it is based on PHP 5.3 or higher is recommended. For a database, you could use MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, or on the proprietary end, Oracle or SQL Server. And any operating system that supports the choices you make is going to work fine. Now, for development purposes, oftentimes development is done on what is termed an AMP stack, or Apache, MySQL, and PHP. There are a lot of automated installers that will install all three of these tools simultaneously for your operating system, including XAMPP, MAMP, WAMP, and there are others out there as well. You could also do it yourself, install all the tooling individually and configure it. For our purposes, we're going to use a tool called the Acquia Dev Desktop. Now this is an AMP stack, but it's an AMP stack that comes with Drupal 7 pre-installed. It's a free download from acquia.com. Again, Acquia is the company that was founded by Dries Buytaert, the original creator of Drupal, in order to provide enterprise services to the market around Drupal. The tool itself, when you install it, allows you to configure multiple simultaneous Drupal instances and gives you easy tooling to access log files and underlying configuration files for all of this tooling. Let's go out, pull Acquia Dev Desktop, and get it installed. We'll go to acquia.com/downloads, and then on this page, locate the Acquia Dev Desktop. Choose the particular installer that's appropriate for your system, and download the file. When the file is downloaded, run the installer for your particular operating system, and launch the wizard. In the install wizard, go ahead and click Next, review the software that's about to be installed, note the license agreement, and note the locations where files are going to be installed on your system. It is going to install with two default ports, 8082 for your Apache web server and 33066 for MySQL. If you need to make different choices for your system, you can do so here, or you can easily make these choices later through the Dev Desktop control panel. For the initial site, you can leave the default values, but modify the username to user1. Of course, it can be anything you like, but we'll learn that this initial account is rather like an SA or super user account on a database. It allows you to configure virtually anything about the system and should be kept quite secure, but you can change the username and the password later. For now, I'll go ahead and provide a simple password and I'll configure an email address that I can access later. Go ahead and click Next. Note the final installation settings and allow the installation to begin.